It gives me great pleasure in this short video to share with you our school's new strategic plan and priorities for 2021 to 2024. We are proud that the Scots School Albury, through our founding schools, has been the school of choice in our region for over 155 years. We recognise the importance of our school traditions while also requiring the school to grow and adapt to ensure we thrive for future generations of Scotsonians.
In addition to my role as board chair, I'm also a proud parent of both alumni and current students, and I'm an active member of the school community. Scots' new strategic plan is the result of over a year of planning and research by the executive team and board members, alongside consultation with our community. The leadership team have listened, observed and investigated our current practices and explored academic research and the experiences of industry professionals in order to develop appropriate strategic goals and underpinning strategies to achieve those goals. As part of this plan, we've taken the opportunity to consolidate our ethical principles into 4 core values. In 2020, we introduced the Respect Triangle into our school community, which brings respect to life in everything we do. Our students, our staff and our community show respect for self, for others and for the environment. Through the International Baccalaureate Primary Years program in the junior school and the Design for Deep Learning approach across the whole school, Scots students are encouraged to be curious learners, eager to ask questions and seek answers, and to develop the soft skills that all employers are seeking. Whether it's on the sporting field, in the orchestra or in the classroom, our students are determined to strive for excellence. They're encouraged to set goals and to achieve their best.
One aspect that sets our school apart is our community and the family feel. We strive for every student to feel a connection within and a sense of belonging at Scots. We want our current students, alumni, families and local community to feel a strong connection to the school and be proud of being members of our school community now and into the future. We have identified 4 key strategic focus areas that have been identified as priorities for the next 4 years. Our first priority is a continued focus on academic excellence. We will ensure that every Scots student reaches their full potential through deliberate and targeted teaching and learning. Our second priority is community. Scots is one of the oldest schools in New South Wales, and our sense of community has remained steadfast for over 155 years. Our strategic plan recognises the importance of continuing to build upon the strength of our community, including our current families, our alumni and their families, staff and other members of our local community. The third priority is innovation. We are committed to being future-focused in and beyond the classroom, building more opportunities for our students and through fostering excellence. We have identified opportunities to innovate in the following areas: flexible learning, agriculture, technology, sport and performing arts. Our fourth priority is growth. We are committed to continue to grow and thrive. Over the next 4 years, we will see the development of our new Senior Study Centre, junior school and preschool. We also plan to grow our enrolments. While we recognise the benefits of remaining a small school, as we see enrolments grow, we will ensure the school maintains its close-knit community and small school environment. Supporting each of these focus areas are strategies and projects to enable us to achieve our goals. Through these 4 key focus areas, we are confident that the Scots School Albury will continue to be the school of choice in our region into the future. We look forward to sharing with you progress on this plan in the coming years. Working together with our community, we can ensure a strong future for Scots and all our students.